What's up, everybody? Today, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very disappointed with how I traded. Hold on, let me turn this down. Yeah, I'm very disappointed with how I traded. A couple things. Somehow, again, I'm trying not to like I said this yesterday, but I'm trying not to blame this on how I'm trading and like that I'm trading on like an iPad and stuff. But um, I didn't see a really key SMT here. So if you see from here to here, there's an SMT, right? Lower lows on Nasdaq, higher highs on S&P, and I did not see that. Now, even though the trade was bearish, I do think that was quite interesting. Because today I took a bullish trade and got stopped off a break even. So I'm going to go through that real quick here. Um, Although we made an SMT, I didn't even see that. But and I am mad about that. But what I'm like mad about the most is how even though I thought there was a fair value gap here, Um, even though I thought this was a fair value gap, I knew it was, right? I was scared that we were about right here, market open. I was scared that we were going to come out of it. But dude, A, there was news today. B, look, lows. Lows right here. So I should have not traded. Um, but I got like overconfident, and I think what I did today is I did not look not to trade. I think that was the big takeaway today is I didn't look not to trade. Um, and that bit me in the butt, to be honest. Like, this trade wouldn't even been good, but my bias, it doesn't matter because my bias was wrong, dude. My bias was still freaking wrong. If my bias was right, my trade would have worked out. So I guess I'll go into the trade I took. I think it was on S&P. Yeah. Never mind. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. Here we go. In theory, it wasn't bad. So we had SMT here. SMT. Lower lows on Nasdaq. So SMT took us up. There was a After that, I scaled down. Then there was a fair value gap. Then there was a fair value gap right here on top of an inverse fair value gap. I mean, guys, there's so many confluences right there. Bam. Right in the middle, both of those. I don't know if we do. I think we made an SMT off here. We might have. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter, though. So we made that. Popped up here. I was waiting for a closure above, I mean, I guess these highs. Oh, jeez. I guess these highs, but I didn't even wait for that. I kind of waited for a bullish candle to close out of it right here. So I got in off here. So I got a bullish candle out of that, and then when it came up here, I got right in there. Stop loss was London highs, which I knew. I kind of knew we were going to go bearish today with the news, but I thought that was fairly achievable. And I guess it wasn't. But I thought that was fairly achievable, considering that we could have went up there and swept it. But I guess if we went off like what? Is this a fair value gap? Yeah. We already went into it, but whatever. Yeah, went off that a lot. Yeah, so that was today's trade. Not very happy about it. I don't know how. I'm just not seeing the way the market moves yet. I just don't see it yet, and someday I will. But trying to keep my head down here. Yeah. So hope everyone didn't trade today. Have a good rest of your evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.